Today I will show you how to make this beautiful bracelet. We will use a decorative wire that you can make yourself or simply buy in my store. These are wires that we'll use in this project. I have a tutorial about twisted wires. All the links you can find in the description. What length? This is an adjustable cuff. Measure your wrist. This is exactly the length we need. It can be 6, 7, or maybe 8. I took 7 inches of each wire. All these wires you can make yourself or buy in my store. The middle one is 3 twisted 16-gauge wires that I rolled through a rolling mill. If you want to make it yourself, twist 3 16-gauge wires and hammer it. I chose to arrange the wire in this order. I am using a rolled 16-gauge wire strip to connect the base, but you can use a simple 18-gauge wire. Slightly hammer it from the back side. Slightly tap the back side with a hammer. Later, I added one more strip in the middle. If you make the two side wires a little longer and form them into a loop, you can add now a hook or some beautiful part. By arranging different wires in different orders, you will get many variations of beautiful bracelets. So turn on your imagination and create. Next time we will make this bracelet. So stay with me and see you soon.